So in this video I'll be showing you how to do how to factorize quadratics. Let me see. Quadratics, their nature is it's like a x squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So this is your quadratic. So you want to factorize it to make it in a form of like brackets and then something else here. You normally can use your quadratic formula, and I don't remember very well. I think it was b plus or minus square root b minus 4ac all over 2a. So this is how you should do it in the very math way, but you don't want to do this because it might consume much of your time. So there is an easier way of doing it. So I'm just going to bring up some very easy quadratics. So it's going to be x squared plus 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. So this is your quadratic. So you really wanna, what you want to factorize it. So you're going to do what? You're going to say set up. Okay, let me remove the pen. You're going to say set up. After setting up, you're going to for number 5, and number 5 is going to be your equations 5. Then you want the third one, right? So it's going to be 3. So my a was 1, my b was 4, and my c was negative 4. Then from then I can press an equal sign. Then fine enough, it's it's a very not easy one. So yes, but they're correct. You could try for some other numbers. Let me say I have 1 and negative 4 now, and the 4, right? The first one is 2, and then it goes away. If it goes away, it means that it's 2 and it's repeated. They are repeated roots, they are real roots, and they are just 2 different roots. So yeah, that's all you need to know.